What's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about the HTN strategy. We will talk about how you can use it to get high quality followers so that you can then turn them into paying customers, into customers that pay you a lot of money so that you can easily make your first $1,000 with Instagram. And what the HTN strategy basically stands for. That's what we will talk about in today's video. And if you have any questions, like at the end of the video, feel free to message me. But anyways, what the HTN strategy stands for is the highly targeted niche strategy, okay? And the whole idea behind that strategy is that you basically get followers on your Instagram account that are very targeted. That you, like, for example, if you want to sell a high price product, for example, for $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, right? That, for example, teaches people how to make money with Instagram. Then what you want to make sure is that you use the HTN strategy to get specific people to follow your page that are willing to pay that amount of money, okay? So for example, if you want to sell a product, for example, for $10,000 that teaches people how to make money with Instagram, what you should do is you should make a list of like 10, 15, 20, 50, 100 accounts, okay, that are in your niche that specifically talk about that topic. So for example, as I said, if you want to sell a product that teaches people how to make money and it's high price and stuff like that, you can do it for each product, okay? So what you want to do is you want to figure out what the best account from your niche are, okay? What you then do is, from your targeted niche, from your HTN, your highly targeted niche, okay? So you take a look at what kind of product you want to sell, okay, what niche that product is in, and then you make a list of 10, 15, 20 accounts of top accounts from that niche that you want to sell the product in. And what you then do is you just go to the accounts. For example, if you want to sell a product that teaches people how to make money with Instagram, you can go to my account and you just go into the posts and you take a look at all the comments. And what you do is you interact with the people who comment under that post, because those people are all interested in, for example, my example, making money with Instagram, right? So what you do is you interact with those people, you like their comments, you reply to their comments, you follow them, you interact with their posts, you maybe even shoot them a DM. And what will then happen is that all these highly targeted people they will over the time start following you. They will start taking a look at your content. You will get those followers, and then if you use the sales strategies and everything that I will teach inside the money making module, then you will be able to turn those people into paying customers, okay? So what I would recommend you is each and every single day take 30 minutes and interact with some highly targeted people from your niche. And then over the time, you will build an audience of very high quality people that follow you, and you can then over the time turn them into paying customers, all right? Pretty simple strategy that nearly no one teaches out there. And the reason why lots of people most people don't teach it is because they don't know how to make money with Instagram, okay? And the big money that you make with Instagram is by selling high-priced products, by selling products that cost $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, right? Because just take a look at it. You can sell a product for example, for $7 10,000 times, right? Or you can sell a product for $70,000 once, okay? And you can do that by getting these highly targeted people, okay? And you can get them by using the HTN strategy, right? So take 30 minutes each and every single day, interact with those highly targeted people, and then over the time, you will get a very high quality audience, and you will be able to turn them into good paying customers, okay? That's it for the video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I will then see you guys in the next one.